2375 on the Carnival Horizon. We're on a cruise! Okay, so we just got in here, so our bags are still sitting here. I'm going to unpack them. I'm pretty sure that this couch right here turns into a bed. We got some big bottles of water. Voila! Okay, so when you walk right in, here is, I like that you have a full-size mirror. Doesn't stay open very well, but you can probably take this off and open it all the way. You have a full-size mirror. When you open this closet, you have a pretty good amount of hangers. That's one side of the closet. And two sides, some more hangers, and also a shelf. And then number 3, you have a safe. I think you create your own code. There's not looked into it yet. Here's some drawers. I will be unpacking my clothes just because I have a lot of dresses and I don't want them to get wrinkled. Then you have this. You have the mini fridge, which is nice and cool already. So the water's in there. We have a phone, some shelves. This, I believe, lights, sort of light. Oh, it does. Lights up. This will be my makeup mirror, obviously. You have some outlets, 2 USB, 2 120 volt, and then a 230 volt. Just some basic info. These waters, you'll get paid to use them. We just got this for $20. Comes with a bunch of them, and they are massive water bottles. You have a little stool under there. A little hair dryer. Pretty good water. Okay. You have right next to this whole area, you have this TV with a remote. Life jackets are under the bed. And then this is our bed. It is 2 pushed together. It's 2 pushed together for a king size, queen size. Not totally sure. We have a little balcony on this one. This is deck 2, so it's not like the super duper nice balconies, but. So you open the curtain all the way, and you have this bright window, brings in a lot of sunlight. What do we have over here? And then you have a lamp and another little cabinet down here and a lamp. But the outlet, what does this light turn on? Oh, okay, so that's like another main light. That's kind of cool that it's right above the bed. The outlets are only over there. Then you have, we are still at the port. So this is our balcony door. Has another little lock here. It might be loud out here. Okay, so that was a little loud. We are docked at Miami. We haven't sailed off yet, but I will probably insert another video of what that looks like when we're in the water. This can be another bed. Just another light, and there is a door under there. There are some towels here. I believe these are the beach towels that we can use. You do have to return them. You could take them on the port and use them as beach towels or pool towels, but you do have to return them or you will get charged. Little snooze thing to put on the door. This is the temperature. And then here is the bathroom. It's a smaller bathroom. but it works. So you have this clothesline connects across to hang your clothes. Nice little shower. It has shampoo and shower gel, so no conditioner. And I also heard that the shampoo isn't very good, so we brought all of our own stuff. It does have a bar. And does this come off? There you go. So you just close that. The toilet is right there. I have some instructions for your towel. Plenty of towels, and obviously you can get more as you need them. There are tissues, a garbage pail, some extra toilet paper, plenty of towels. They give you rinse glasses, which is kind of cool. And I like this like up close mirror, which you can move around for your makeup and whatnot. Pretty cool. Plenty of shelves, pretty big mirror, and more shelves, sink, soap, and yeah. So that is Stateroom 237 on the Carnival Horizon. Some hooks there. And there's our quick tour.